Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today we are going to see flathead rivet. Now in this we need to draw front view, top view. So what we will do first we will draw a box and we'll find out all the values D, 0.25D and 2D. So D is 20, 0.25D is 5 and 2D is 40. After this, we'll draw a circle in top view. So first you will draw a cross. Then how much is the radius? Radius is 20 because diameter is 40 for 2D. Then the inside one is 10, 10 on both the sides. So we can draw both the circles. Outer one is dark, inner one is dotted. Okay, after this we'll draw front view. Total is 40, so we take 20, 20 on both the sides and 10, 10. This height is 0.25 D, so that is 5 mm. And here it's a curve. Draw a vertical line and from here you draw this. So we are done with flathead rivet. We can do dimensioning. Thank you.